In this video, I'm going to be revealing you how you can earn money by promoting other people's products, other people's services, and don't worry, you don't need to be a marketing genius in order to earn money with this. This is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial in which I'm going to show you where you can find these products. It doesn't matter what are you interested on. Also, I'm going to show you how you can create content literally in a couple of clicks, and most important, how you get eyeballs, people who are really interested on what you're going to be promoting without spending a single dollar. If this is something that you're interested, please continue watching this video. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video and miss a way in which you can actually earn money from the comfort of your home. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Now, as I mentioned before, this is going to be an in-depth step-by-step tutorial. This is going to be a beginner-friendly tutorial, so it doesn't matter if you are an expert, if you're already here about what we call affiliate marketing, which is basically promoting other people's product or service, or this is actually the very first time. I'm going to show you everything. Okay, first of all, we're going to go to the website that is called Digistore24. Digistore24 is a marketplace. It's an alternative to ClickBank. Okay, I know there are people out there that for whatever reason they cannot use ClickBank. No worries, I got you covered. You can go with Digistore24, which is a website that is working. I'm pretty sure that is working worldwide. So if you cannot use ClickBank, this is actually a great alternative. Okay, as you can see also here, they have a Trustpilot review, 4.7 stars out of 5 star, which is actually really good. You can start or you can join by clicking start now. It's free to sign up and you're gonna be good to go. Okay, I like Digistore24, guys, but if you actually looking for my number one recommendation website to earn money online, I'm gonna be leaving a link below, okay, but which is going to be the very first link in the description. Now let me show you everything here on how it actually works here on Digistore24. Okay, this is what we call a marketplace. Okay, here on the marketplace, you're going to notice that we have different products and we have different categories. Okay, categories is basically what we call niches. For example, you can go with computer and internet, you can go with relationships, family, fitness and health, you can even go with hobbies, home and garden, photography and all this stuff. So basically it doesn't matter what you like, they have you covered. Okay, so it doesn't matter what niche you decide to go, you can go here and you can actually apply this strategy. Okay, here for example, we have this product, we have this other product, we have these other products as well. In this example, I'm gonna go with the health and fitness niche. So I'm gonna be clicking where it says fitness and health. Okay, so you're gonna notice that we have over 100 products or resources, but we are going to sort this by sales rank, which is the equivalent on what we call gravity on ClickBank. Okay, so it means that there is a lot of people out there who are making money with this product, and this is what we want. We want a proven product that people are getting results, so we can get results as well. Okay, one cool thing about this product is the fact that you're going to be earning 85% commission. Right now the earning potential is on average $24, and you're going to notice that here I do have my link. If you have not promoted this product, or actually you have not clicked on the link, you will need to click here where it says promote now. Then it's going to ask you for your affiliate ID, and you're going to be having your link. Okay, so this is actually what people are gonna look when they click here on my affiliate link. It's gonna be like something like you're almost ready, finished, there's gonna be a video. So this is actually really high converting because people are gonna be watching the video, and after a couple of minutes or seconds, they're gonna see the offer. Okay, so really good. It do also have an exit pop-up reminding people, okay, that hey, they're gonna miss this, they're gonna miss the 30-day keto meal plan, the complete keto food. So if people are actually really interested about losing weight and go with keto, this is a great alternative. So here is the ultimate keto meal plan. This is the one that I'm gonna go with. Okay, here also they do have like a small review why people are interested, and they also have what we call the affiliate support page. So that means that they are gonna give you more information about what the product is look like, the demography, and all that stuff. Okay, so this is actually really good. This is a great product to promote because it gives us a lot of information. Now, there are a couple of things that we actually need. We already have the product that we're going to promote. We actually need to create content. Okay, I know that most of you guys, you don't want to be in front of a camera, and I do respect that. And don't worry, also, I know this is actually taking time because yeah, YouTube is a great way in which we can drive traffic, but it takes time, and we need to be creating content, in order for YouTube to take us into consideration. And I know that most of you are going to be like, okay, maybe I can write some content, but I'm not an expert. I really don't know what to talk about or what to write about. So don't worry, I got you covered. There is actually a tool that is called Anyword. I'm going to leave a link below so you can check it. This is actually the free version is the one that I'm actually using, so you don't need to pay something else. You just go with the free version. This is an AI tool in which we're gonna be giving it some information, and it's gonna be creating content for us. Okay, so click the link below to make sure that you're gonna have the free version of Anyword. After you are on the free version of Anyword, it's gonna look something like this, maybe a little bit different because my account it's a little old. Okay, but you are gonna go here where it says Blog Wizard. This is the tool that we're gonna be using, and don't worry, we're not gonna be creating blog posts. We're literally gonna be creating one article, and we're gonna put it in a website that have a lot of traffic, but more about that in a moment. So we're gonna go here where it says Blog Wizard. As you can see, I have been using this in the past. This is something that I actually really like, but now I'm gonna click here where it says blog post from scratch because I want to create something new. Okay, so it's gonna be asking me a couple of questions. Okay, this is a new project. It's asking me to describe the blog post or the article that the system is gonna create for me. So basically, my blog post is going to be all about keto meal plan. So I want to go with something related to this because this is what my product is all about. So it says your description should be at least 5 words. So I already have 3. So I'm going to put like the best keto meal plan. Okay, cool. We're going to click here where it says next. Is asking me, do you want to do some SEO, which is search engine optimization? It is actually good if you're going to create your own blog, but remember that I'm going to leverage another websites. Okay, so they already have the traffic and all that stuff. So I'm going to click here next as well. And the very first thing Anyword is actually creating, it's the title. Okay, so it's going to give me some options, which you are going to choose the one that you actually need, or you can generate another one. Okay, by clicking here generate more, you're going to see that there are some numbers, so that means that people might appeal to this title, or you can write your own title instead. Okay, right now I'm going to go with the first one, which is going to be how to create the best keto plan for weight loss. Okay, so people are going to be like, wow, this is me, I want to lose some weight. So now I have my title, so it's giving me like an outline. Okay, You can add more bullets, you can get more suggestions. First thing is like, what is keto diet, why I use the meal plan and all this stuff, and receipts. So I'm gonna click here next. If you want, okay, for example, maybe I'm not gonna go with what is ketogenic diet. Oh my goodness, because people already make the research. Maybe I just want to go with how to create the best planned meal at just 3 points. Okay, just 3 sections. So I'm gonna go here where it says next, and it's creating the very first paragraph. So you're by now, I'm pretty sure that you already know how powerful is this. Okay, I can generate it. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna click next, and I'm gonna continue with the editor. Okay, so here I have the 3 points that I have. If I want to create more, you can click here where it says add new section. I'm not gonna be doing that. I'm just gonna be clicking here where it says generate. You're gonna see that you are gonna be able to use some keywords. I'm not going that route. I'm just literally letting the AI tool do their magic. Okay, but if you're really into this, okay, you can actually, do a little bit more research. Maybe there's some keywords about keto that you would like to use. Okay, so you can do that. So in my case, because of the purpose of this video, I'm just literally generating everything. Okay, so you're gonna see that I already have the product. I already have an article that people are going to be interested on reading with valuable information. Okay, this is all about the value that we can actually share. And now I'm going to click here where it says copy to clipboard. Okay, which is copy to clipboard, almost 1,000 words. Okay, so I'm going to click here where it says copy to clipboard. Now I need to paste it somewhere. So what are you going to be doing? You're going to be going to Google, and you're going to Google Documents. Okay, here on Google Documents, the results, you're going to click here where it says Google Doc, and this is like the online version of another software out there, but this one is actually free. So you're going to see that you can literally paste the article here. Okay, you can literally paste the article here. Here we have how to create the best keto meal for weight loss. We can put some format. Again, I'm going to be doing something really fast. So giving some formatting, you can do this, and I'm pretty sure that you can do even a way better job than the one that I'm actually doing. And you can also add other images. Okay, you can also add images because I don't have any image. Okay. But we need to have something, that we call the call to action, because right now I have a really good article. I have the product that I'm going to be promoting, but they are not bound. They are not together, right? So I need to go ahead to Digistore 24. Okay, I'm going to click here. It says copy to clipboard. And now I'm going to go again to my Google Doc, so I can put something like click here to get your personalized keto meal. Okay, click here to get your personalized. I always like to bold the links. I make it bold, and I'm gonna put my link here. Okay, I'm gonna apply it. I can format this. Okay, if I want to make it bigger, but at the end it depends on you. Okay, so let's imagine that I already put the format, the images, and all that stuff, because I don't want to make this this tutorial longer than it should. So now we need to promote this. Okay, yeah, there are gonna be people out there who are gonna put this information in their blog posts, but I like to leverage other websites. So the first one that we're gonna be putting this content, it's called Buckle. So you're gonna go to buckle.media, and you're gonna see that you're gonna have the opportunity to share your story, to share your content. Okay, and there is no ad, and you can become a creator. Okay, you can click here where it says become a creator. It's going to ask you for a valid email address, your information, and you can put as many articles as you want, okay, for different topics. Okay, remember that you have a lot of opportunity to promote different products with the store 24. So once you're ready to create your account, you're going to click here where it says create story, and it's going to be looking something like this. Okay, this is my account. Okay, so here's the submission guideline. Boom. Okay, so here we need to put the title. We already have the title, which is this one: how to create the best keto meal plans to lose weight. If you want to add some to title, okay, you can add, are you considering switching bloom? This is going to be my subtitle. And now we just need to upload an image. Okay, that's the reason why I told you that you need to upload your image, and it can be any image. Okay, and you can click here where it says start writing, and here is where you're going to put, or where you're going to paste your article. Okay, once you have everything done and formatted, you just need to submit it. Okay, so the second website that you can use to drive traffic to your offer is this one, which is called Medium. Okay, so you can go to medium.com, and it's basically the same concept as Vocal Media. Okay, you're gonna create a free account, and you are gonna be copying and pasting your content there. So you're gonna have two websites. There are more out there, okay, but I don't want to make this video like really long. But right now you're gonna have two websites that you are gonna be able to share your content, okay, to share your information with your link to your affiliate product. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this content. Remember, guys, if you want to know what's my #1 website to make money online, check the very first link in the description. If you're ready to learn other ways to make money online like this one, go ahead and watch the next video here on my YouTube channel.